About any time we do one of these walls, it's always water above it. And then a lot of jobs we do is caused by the creeks below. Sometimes you got creeks that just, where it's in the curve and stuff, it eats the road out, and the road eventually just starts failing on us. About 90% of the time it's water. Well, whenever it starts, we come in, and they always, of course, they do the core drills and all that and kind of tell us how deep it is, but we go down and we drill down until we hit some good rock. Then once we get into the rock, we always drill 10 foot down into the rock, and we concrete the beams and all that in. And we set them 6 foot apart, put 6 foot lagging in, and then we backfill it with gabion, and then at the top we just put a little crusher around just to smooth it back up, with the road level. And like this job here, it started off at about 25 feet, and we went down to 40 feet putting beams in the ground. This wall right here, we'll be dead and gone before this wall right here you ever had to worry about it again. You using 12-inch beams, and then you concrete them in solid rock, and then we're using 6-inch lagging. It's here to stay. The people that live around here, they've been very patient with us fixing this road, because we've done put about 3 or 4 walls on this road, but the people is actually, they've worked with us, and we've got 5 guys here today, and we've all worked together, and we've got a really good crew, and when we get out of the truck, everybody knows what to do, and we work good together, and we always get the job done.